Hello friends, do you like stories? Today, let's dive into the tale of the three little ducklings. In a cozy pond, a mother duck named Daisy lived with her three little ducklings, Quackers, Waddle, and Flutter. Every morning, Daisy would leave to gather food, advising her ducklings, "Stay in the pond, my little ones. Don't go near the land. Be united and watch out for each other. Remember, unity is strength." The first day, Daisy left, the ducklings swam and played. But soon, they started to quarrel. "I'm the fastest swimmer," said Quackers. "No, I am," said Waddle. "I'll show you," said Flutter. They competed, flapping their wings and splashing water. The next day, Daisy left again, reminding them to stay united. But the ducklings quarreled again. "Who can catch the most fish?" asked Waddle. "I can," said Quackers. "No, I'll catch more," said Flutter. They competed, diving and splashing. A sly fox named Max watched from the land, thinking, "Aha! These ducklings are always quarreling. I can trick them and catch them." Max devised a plan, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. On the third day, Daisy left, reminding her ducklings to stay united. But Max appeared, trying to trick them. "Who's the strongest? Come on to land, and let's see." The ducklings forgot their mother's words and quarreled. "I'll show you," they quacked, waddling onto land. Max pounced, catching Quackers. Waddle and Flutter panicked, but then remembered, Mother said unity is strength. Together, they fought against Max, hacking and flapping. With a final mighty quack, they rescued Quackers. Just then, Daisy returned, hearing the commotion. "What happened?" she asked, relieved to see her ducklings safe. The three little ducklings looked up, ashamed. "Sorry, Mother. We forgot your words. We won't quarrel again." Daisy smiled, hugging her ducklings. "I'm proud of you for learning unity is strength. From now on, let's stay united and safe." And so, the three little ducklings swam, played, and had lots of fun together. Do you like the story? The moral of the story is unity is strength. When we work together, we can overcome challenges. Don't forget to like and subscribe Tunes&Tales TV for more stories and songs. Bye bye.